I'm going to start a brand new business, and I'm definitely not going to send out emails using a Gmail account. I'm going to use a professional email that's going to use my domain. So in this case, this is my new business, which is Cedar Cabinets, and I'm going to get started with a custom domain. So in this case, I'm going to use Hostinger's email system, which is a premium business email, to get started with my professional domain email. Now in this case, I'm going to show you how to set it up so you can get started really easily too. Now to buy a Hostinger email, go ahead and jump over to their website and head on over to Services and Business Email. This is where you're going to find the email plans. You can go ahead and choose a plan straight from here. You can find really affordable plans starting from 39 cents a month. So let's go ahead and choose this plan right now, which will give you one mailbox for that price. Now, the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is, how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend 48 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Plus, you'll be good to go for 4 years. So once you're good to go ahead and select the extra mailbox storage if you want more, and extra details right here. Be aware that on the second plan, you'll have access to domains too that will be included on this price. So it's a great bundle. Now to set this up, I'm already inside my Hostinger account. I'm going to go to emails. I'm going to go to setup, and I'm going to get started with my custom domain, which is Cedar Cabinets. So let's go ahead and type this in right here and set it up right now. Now in this case, I'm not going to grab a free domain included with the mailbox. I'm going to use a domain that I already own. So I need to verify. So this could be your use case, but it's going to be way faster if you use the domain that's included, all right? I need to add the text records to my DNS settings in my Cloudflare account. So let's go ahead and copy this value here. I need to create a brand new text, and I'm going to jump into my Cloudflare account. Now I am currently using their free system, but I'm going to disable this because I am now going to use the system on Hostinger. So that's going to be my email with the professional one. So let's go ahead and jump into DNS to set this up. Let's go to records, and we're going to remove the records that were previously created. And if in case you have other records, go ahead and remove these that are tied to email. All right. So let's go ahead and delete these records. Here we go. Removing, and I'm going to add a brand new record, which is what I need here. So let's go ahead and txt. Let's add the details that I got over here for the email setup. All right, so let's go ahead and save this right now. Here we go, and it might take a few seconds or a few minutes to get started to check the status. It might be really quick, so it's not ready yet. So let's give this a couple minutes to get those details and get started. Here we go. DNS has now been verified, and I can now create my new email box with my personal domain, which is going to make me look really professional. So in this case, I'm going to set my first domain, which is going to be Ventas, which is in Spanish because this is a company in Mexico, and I'm really going to use this. Now I need to set up my password. So let's go ahead and copy this password. Let's go ahead and create the mailbox. Now I have my personal email mailbox that I can start using. So I have my custom name with my custom domain. So that means that this is going to be a professional email that's going to be sent out. So now I can send my proposals, my inboxes, and they will be sent out with my domain, not a random free domain that could make people not purchase your product just because you're using a Gmail, Hotmail account. So it's a good option to use this, all right? So here we go. I'm now inside my mailbox, and I need to finish the setup. So let's go ahead and check the status. Here we go. I will have to add a few more records in my mailbox. The reason for this is because you need to verify that this is your actual domain. Plus, it's going to help you out so your emails don't land in spam. So I need to add all these records into my DNS system. Now, if you use the domain from Hostinger, the one you get for free, it's going to automatically set all this up for you, okay? But in this case, I'm using this in an external domain. So let me go ahead and add all these records. Here we go. I set most of these up. So let's go ahead and check the status, and let's see which ones are ready. Okay, so the last one is not reflected yet, but it has been added. So that will be added in a bit. So now let's go ahead and jump back into our mailbox. So here we go. I've set up to receive emails in my inbox, stop others from sending fake emails using my domain, keep emails out of spam folder, and proof emails are really from you. Now, all of this is crucial so your emails land in the inbox and not the spam folder. So now I can take full advantage of my mailbox right here on Hostinger. Now be aware that you can still use this in Gmail if you add the details, but if you want to use the system here, it is possible without any issues. I can now create a brand new email. I can send out an email. I can use AI inside of the Hostinger Mail. I got my drafts, schedule, sent, spam, trash, folders, contacts, anything that you would normally have on an email inbox, you have it right here. So now you'll be ready to receive and send out emails straight from here. So you can send out your invoices, proposals with a professional email. So it's super easy to set this up. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for a Hostinger business email account and start sending out the emails from a professional email and not a free Gmail account. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the email service from Hostinger and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.